Honorable Minister of IT, Nara Lokesh Garu, we are privileged to have the dignitaries on the dais, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you all. Teaching is a noble profession taken up by these generous people. I say noble because they focus on improving others' lives. I am very proud of their noble work. They taught with lots of affection, and I want you to join with me thanking each one of them for giving their best to you all. The fun of college life ends to embark onto the life's journey. Time to attend to your life's calling and opportunities. There are so many opportunities awaiting you. Urban opportunities are unfolding. More talent is migrating from remote villages to the present urban areas. Women are shaping households who will also shape economy. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, the founder of the trust and CM of AP, will be happy to see you as job creators, not just mere job seekers. So look beyond yourself. Do you know the reasons for action and inaction? Always remember, it is easy to do things and also easy not to do things. Hence, people avoid doing things. We are proud that Chandrababu Naidu Garu created, nurtured his own intellectual capital with sheer sincere work and dedication. He is a badge of honor to the state and to our nation. His life mission was to make difference to society and to the country. Who works tirelessly, who will be an icon too. I do not suffer from excessive modesty to admit and say the facts of Chandrababu Naidu Garu's life. He had a journey of alone to alone, which is a grim treadmill of indifference, humiliation, and sometimes neglect, where competition and rivalry were facts of life. When critics tried to suck his blood, not because they hated him, but just because blood is their food. In a world which is not fair, Chandrababu Naidu Garu got used to it. His voice was lonely, with opposition and resistance to change. He created a future for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh when destinations were not known, paths not found, but had to be made. So be positive and inspired by him. And even Obama once said, yes, we can. Chandrababu Naidu Garu was aware and acted. He stopped his government from sleeping, so people stopped weeping. He stopped every leakage with the government package. He always moves forward, as moving backward is awkward. He remains silent when opposition parties are violent. With humiliation, he moved ahead. Always remember, humiliation, a retribution for more dangerous sin, arrogance. You too should become like Chandrababu Naidu Garu. Let me give you a simple mantra. To be happy and successful, always question yourself. Do you want it? Do you need it? Is it worth it? Let me explain. Alcohol, you want it. You don't need it. It is not worth it. Exercise, you don't want it, but you need it. Highly worth it. I asked my brother for one mother of all advices, and he said, please tell the children, they will not change the world. Tell them to change themselves instead. Life will be realistic and easier. As changing the world is like losing weight. Unlearning and relearning is a must. With pre-apologies to all the teachers, lecturers here, you will have to do a lot of unlearning and relearning. As the reality is quite different, difficult, less glamorous than you expect. The world is changing too fast. Be ready to learn new skills. So follow mother of all advices. Try to change, improve yourself. Never try to change the world. It's never going to happen. It's like losing, as I said, it's like losing extra weight. All of you can be heroes. In a nation short of heroes, celebrate the real ones. Our soldiers fight ferociously and died fearlessly. They came back holding the Indian flag in victory or wrapping it around them. Sadly, in reality, no one loves to be a soldier or a warrior until the enemy is at the gate. Don't you agree with me? Always remember, the Indian flag flies not with the wind, but with the last breath of our soldiers who laid their lives defending our country. We are grateful and have to salute to them. Goal setting is important. The wind is blowing same to all the people all the time, but it is the sails that keep it going, which makes different people reach different destinations. Work, courage, and arrogance. Do your duty to yourself and the country. Let courage be the part of your daily life without any trace of arrogance. Be prepared to be envied or hated. Your success may make many people to hate you. You may not wish as they do. Regardless, enjoy the success. So my dear children, your skill will give you opportunities, and opportunities will let you make the difference. All of us owe a debt to the land that we are born. Let us redeem by helping less privileged children. We will be closer to God. I want to talk about philosophy and philanthropy also. The roots below the earth claims no rewards for making the branches fruitful. Rivers do not drink their own water, nor trees eat their own fruits. So always learn to share and care the others. Lastly, Please avoid these pitfalls. Never grossly underestimate yourself or grossly overestimate others. Never doubt or discount others' worthiness. Appreciate and love their virtues. Always be generous and compliment others. Have the will to develop a skill. Remember, health is wealth. I would like to conclude on behalf of the trust, trustees, teachers, each one of you. I thank Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Lokesh, and all present here for taking time to come and grace this function. Let us all promise to hold the goalpost of Chandrababu Naidu Garu and NTR Trust School and College. So always be graceful, be useful, keep life simple and leave it pleasant. I wish you all the success and Jai Hind.